Most optics these days feel like they came off the same assembly line, but this little unit from ORPUNA tries to do things a bit differently. It's got this fiber optic setup that pulls in ambient light to illuminate the reticle, which is a nice change of pace from constantly worrying about battery life. The first thing you notice when you pick it up is the weight. It's not heavy, but it doesn't feel like a cheap toy either. That mix of 60-63 aluminum and polymer housing gives it a solid, sturdy feel in the hand without turning your setup into a brick. It sits right on a standard 20mm rail, and honestly, the installation is about as straightforward as it gets. You just slide it on, tighten it down, and you're pretty much ready to go. The 10 MOA triangle reticle is the real star here. It's big, it's bold, and it's incredibly easy to pick up when you're moving quickly between targets. Having the choice between red or green is a nice touch, especially if your eyes struggle with one color over the other in certain lighting. Now here is the thing about that fiber optic system. It's great when you're out in the sun, but for those dimmer moments, there is an auxiliary brightness setting. You get 5 levels to play with, which is plenty for most scenarios. It's not the most high-tech interface, but it's tactile and it works. The glass is multi-layer coated, and the sight picture is surprisingly clear for something at this price point. It doesn't have that weird blue tint you see on some budget glass, which is a huge plus. One feature that's actually pretty smart is the 30-minute auto shutoff. It's one of those things you don't think about until you realize you left the unit on in your bag for 3 hours. It saves the power and it saves the headache. If you're planning on running this with a magnifier, it plays nice with most standard setups, which adds a bit of versatility if you decide to stretch your range a little. If there is a downside, it's that the housing is a bit bulky compared to a sleek micro red dot. It's not going to win any awards for being the most low-profile optic on the market, and the polymer parts, while durable, don't have that premium cold metal feel of a high-end tactical sight. But for what it is, it's a solid, reliable piece of kit. It's not trying to be a top-tier competition optic, but for someone who wants a clear, fast acquisition sight that doesn't require a degree in engineering to operate, this thing hits the mark. It's a straightforward, no-nonsense tool that does exactly what it says on the box. If you're looking for something that's easy to use and holds up to some decent abuse, it's definitely worth a look.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.